Hello, welcome to the world. This is a game we found, and I'm just testing the game and new software we found to record videos. This game's a pretty simple side-scroller game, kind of shoot 'em up. You can cut through rock and he'll help you to destroy what seems to be some type of underground creatures that try to reclaim their habitats or something like that. Hope you can hear me alright, because we haven't got the microphones working properly. The game is called Canary. The controls are quite smooth, the graphics are quite nice. You have 3 lives before you start over again. You have a really big... Let's try again. You have some type of laser shooting thing. It overheats, so you can't use it forever. Let's try one more time. Well, I hope you enjoy the game. I'm a bit distracted at the minute. I'm trying to figure out how the program works and stuff. It's called Jing. I think most of you know it. Well, I'll leave the game and I'll do a review of the program later if I like it. This is B-World, and keep watching.